How were you introduced to the Ahmadiyya Muslim community?
It's about 4 months ago that I met His Holiness in London, in South London at Mosque, and we talked about many things. Now, one of the things we talked about was this great event that happens every year, and he explained that 30 to 40,000 people came and had this event, and it was relatively small compared to the worldwide events that happen. But it just seemed to be a great opportunity to be able to meet lots of people from the Ahmadiyya community, and kindly he invited me to come here today and to just speak for a few minutes to people who are here obviously because of their beliefs, but a great opportunity to meet.
Well, I have been in contact with the community over many years, for about 15 years in Hounslow, through certainly interfaith work and the participation of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community in the local life of Hounslow. And since I became a Member of Parliament 18 months ago, that contact has increased because there are 2 mosques that are within my constituency. And it has been tremendous to see the community grow, to flourish, to be part of our public life as well, locally and nationally, to see that compassion, that love, that sense of commitment to the betterment of humanity at a local level, at a national level, at an international level. It's been a true honour and wonderful to be here today.
What inspired you to come to this year's Jalsa Salana?
I have a very diverse religious constituency. I have many Jewish people, many Muslim people, many people who are Buddhist, people from Sri Lanka, for example, people from former Persia and Iran. And one thing that combines and connects these people is their spirituality. And I feel very strongly as their Member of Parliament that they should be able to worship in freedom. And particularly for the Ahmadi community, I feel they're being persecuted by others, and that is wrong and something that should be opposed. So I'm very much a supporter of the Ahmadi community and their right to pray and to worship in any way they want.
You feel like you're coming to your home, so it's not you're actually somebody else. So it's the warmth of the community which embraces you all the time and brings you here. So I mean, I've got, not me actually, seeing all the other mayors and MPs, lords and everyone. So I think every single person in the community here in the UK cherishes what Ahmadiyya community are doing and actually want to participate in their celebrations.
Have you noticed any improvements?
It feels much bigger this year. Now, I know it's the 100th anniversary, and my congratulations to the Ahmadiyya Muslim community for the 100 years in Britain and how the community has flourished now with over 100 branches. But to say here that, over here we've seen more stalls perhaps than we had time to last year, to see the translation into 12 languages simultaneously, to see the production that's going on so that the event can be shared around the world over this weekend, to see the passion with which everybody serves the community and serves so humbly, I think is just a true lesson and a true message about the community, about its commitment to humanity, and about how this is a true example of faith in action.
Finally, would you like to say something to our viewers?
I would certainly like to see the community continue to flourish, to engage as you have done in the past years and in the coming years as well. Please continue with the humanitarian work that you undertake throughout the world, and certainly even for a person who's not part of the Ahmadi community but who works in public life, I very much believe in the slogan, love for all, hatred for no one. And I think that's a good value to live by in our society, in the international world, and that's something I would plead to the Ahmadi community to continue with.
Well, to the Ahmadiyya community in the United Kingdom, first of all, I want to say I really respect everything that you do already to integrate into the community. It seems to be an incredible, well-organised religion and a group of people who want to work together with other people. And also the fact that you want to work with the police to keep people safe. And that doesn't only include the Muslim community, it also includes all the communities in this great country. So it seems to me that you should be very proud of everything you've achieved already, and I'm sure that you're going to go from strength to strength. And obviously with the international links, a great opportunity to influence worldwide, particularly for peace.
I think the message is all there, love for all, hatred for none.